This is a very proud moment for me as I congratulate Sarah Hendricks for her selection as Placer County Office of Education Employee of the Year. Sarah is the maintenance custodian for the PCOE main building at 360 Nevada Street. She is the reason our PCOE main building is so beautifully maintained and ready to welcome our staff and visitors. Sarah completes her duties with an eye for detail and perfection, whether it's keeping the building in tip-top condition, washing windows, or setting up conference rooms prior to an event. Sarah is a true professional with great customer service skills and an awesome attitude. No matter what the task, Sarah is always ready to assist anyone at any time, and always with that great big smile. We are so fortunate and proud to have Sarah as a member of our MOT team and couldn't be happier about her selection as the Placer County Office of Education Classified Employee of the Year. Congratulations, Sarah.